Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Yep, all up on your YouTube. You know what time it is. It is once again time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is for tomorrow, which will be February 26th, Wednesday, 2020. Now, but before we get into that, don't forget to smash those buttons for me. Yep, mash them up, mash them up. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can also hit that bell so you get notified anytime I put up some new content, new videos, or go live. You'll be right there with me, rocking and rolling, earning while we're learning, all that great stuff. All right, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker SDC. That is Smile Direct Club. That's right. You know, the guys who make those molds for your teeth instead of, I think they're alternative to braces. Kind of similar to that Invisalign company, but more affordable, I believe. Well, they had their earnings, and guess what? Smile Direct Club reported an EPS of minus 25 cents, 16 cents worse than the analyst estimate of minus 9 cents. That's right. Revenue for the quarter came in at 197 million versus the consensus estimate of 199.93 million. Now, guidance, Smile Direct Club sees 2020 revenue of 1 to 1.1 billion. Revenues are expected to be in the range of 1,000 million. So I guess maybe that means a billion to 1,100 million, representing growth of 40% year over year at the midpoint of the range. Adjusted EBITDA for the fiscal year is expected between minus 50 million to minus 75 million. So not so good news on Smile Direct Club. They're definitely not smiling today, especially the investors. But all you bears and everyone who went short are probably smiling, right? Anyways, as always, as technical traders, we always got to go to the charts to see what's going on with my hot pick of the day, the ticker SDC. That is Smile Direct Club. Now, as you can see on the intraday chart right here, Smile Direct Club closed at $11.33, and when their earnings kicked in on all the revenue misses, boom, all the way down to this $8.80 level, and didn't really pop back up. I did the Fibonacci retracement. As you know, I'm a big fib level trader, so if you want more information on that, feel free to hit me up. Fib from this $11.33 top to this $8.80 low, and you can see this $10.07 level is the 50% retracement, and it couldn't even bounce up that high, and actually tested this $9.40 retracement level here and kind of failed, and just making these lower highs, headed back down to this $8.80. So not looking very good for a bounce as of yet, but there's a low volume in the after hours, and we'll see what it does in the pre-mark tomorrow. Now let's zoom backwards. Let's take a look at the daily chart to get a broader perspective on what Smile Direct Club has been doing for the last year or so. As you can see, it IPO'd back here in September 16, hit a high of 21.10 and then dropped as low as 7.56. Now on this daily chart, you can see just kind of based at the 7.56 and was trying to ride up. What I did, I fibbed this first leg down from this 21.10 down to this 8.73 on the initial bounce, and you can see it tried to reclaim. It actually reclaimed this 11.65, came down, broke this 8.73, and was just kind of hanging out at this 7.50 level. Finally, it broke above it, tested this 11.65, and actually got up to this 14.92 50% retracement here in mid-February, just a couple days ago, and then boom, just kind of fell down. I don't know if this was because of the market or what it was, coronavirus news or something, but it went from 14 all the way down to this 11.65 level, and also this yellow line, which is the 50 EMA on the daily. And now it is all the way down here at about 870, 860-ish, I should say, on the news. So let's go back up into the intraday chart so we can see what's going on. Let's put these daily fibs on it. You can see 11.65 was where it was at previously. Let's back it up a bit today, and now it is testing this 8.73 level. That is a daily support right here. So if it does break this 8.73 level, we could see a test of this all-time low at 7.56, and who knows, even lower. But you would expect some kind of bounce here, but we just gotta wait and see and let the price action dictate. So this 8.73 will be key for Smile Direct tomorrow on a intraday fib level. Same thing, about 880-ish. If it breaks this 880, 873, only 7 cents away, we could see some downward movement to test these all-time low 756 and maybe even lower. Not so much good news for these guys, so definitely nothing to smile about for them. But if we see a bounce, we could see a little bit of sunshine. If it could bounce at this 880 level, we could see a retest of this 940 and maybe even test up to this $10 if some bulls get interested. But definitely those are just the main levels to watch tomorrow. Real simple, real easy. You can always rewind this video, pause it, and write down these levels. Let's see, 10.07 will be the 50% retracement. 940 is another retracement level, and 880 or on the daily 873. So right about the same level, 880, 873. Hold of that, we could take it long to these levels up top. A break of that, we could test the lows of 756 and even lower. So we just gotta watch those levels for sure. And that's my quick and easy technical analysis on my hot pick of the day, the ticker SDC. That is Smile Direct Club. Now there you go, there you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker SDC. That is Smile Direct Club. Now don't forget, it takes a lot to put these videos together, but I don't mind. I try and do it every single weekday when the market is open, so we can get some good picks for the day. And all I ask in return for you, yes, 3 clicks of your mouse. Click number 1, you can like the video. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel. And click number 3, hit that bell so you can get notified anytime I put up some new content, some new video, or go live. You can be right there chilling with us, having a good time, you know, shooting the breeze while we're trading the market, because you don't want to get bored and overtrade, right? So it's all good. Join us on YouTube when we go live, or in our Discord. All the links will be below. All right, time for me to head up on out of here. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing on out, reminding you, plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till the next one, aloha.